Hello, friends, and welcome back to Miss Jessica's Art Club. My name is Miss Jessica, and I'm so excited for our summer themed project today. We'll be utilizing seashells. So let's get started.
Okay, everyone, here are our supplies for today. These are really cheap canvases I got at Hobby Lobby. Some seashells that I did have to buy, but if you are near lake, I highly recommend going and getting some. Same goes for beach glass. It broke my heart to buy these in store. And then this is just some regular Elmer's glue. And we're going to go ahead and start with one of the biggest shells right in the middle here. I did not follow a pattern for this project. I just picked which shells I liked the most and placed them kind of scattered, but you will see here that everything comes together and all of the beach glass eventually finds a good spot. This project kind of turns into a puzzle when you get going here and start finding out where the pieces will fit the best. And this is something about the process that I absolutely love. I loved adding these pops of color in with the beach glass. I added in a second starfish at the bottom because they were just too precious to not use. And so, what I really like to do is look at all sides of the shell before I glued them down because some sides are more interesting than others. And every shell is different. So, think about that when you are placing your shells down. If you wanted to take this project one step further, you could paint some glue where the white canvas is left. And if you are near a beach, you could go out and sprinkle some sand in these spaces here. I really liked how the white kind of stood out from all of the different colors of the shells and the glass. So there you have it, shell art perfect for the summer.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you loved this project as much as I did. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you love Miss Jessica's Art Club. Bye, friends. See you next time.